I made over $2,000 last month just by using my phone. And if you guys don't believe me, here's some proof of screenshots on the screen right now. Now, what am I actually doing to earn this money? Well, I am doing what is called UGC, user generated content. What this is, brands are paying anywhere from $100 all the way up to $10,000 a month for you filming simple short videos for them to use as ads. This can be them putting it on their own pages and running it as an ad, or this can be you mass producing them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube Shorts. There's different kinds which we will talk about in this video, but for today's video, we're going to be mainly focusing on high volume UGC or brand collaborations. That being said, this is still a skill that you will have to learn unless you have past experience, but still you only need your phone for this. I make all my videos straight off my phone, and this phone has made me around $4,000 to $5,000 total in the past 2 months alone. What these videos are simple videos just like this up here. It's literally a simple video of me talking about a script that a brand gives me and then somehow relating what the brand is, if it's an app, if it's a service, into the video just lightly. So how it goes, you get a brand, you work with the brand, get a script, or they give you your own creative freedom, send the video over to the brand to get it approved, post that video, and then you get paid for that work. A lot of people think for UGC work, you have to already have a following, you have to already be famous. The truth of it is, you can start with literally 0 followers. As I've said, I've made $4,000 to $5,000 in the past 2 months alone. Now, I'm going to break that down for you guys in just last month alone. Last month, I was working with 4 different companies. The first one was a quit porn app, which paid me $600 for the month. The second one was a generic Bible app, which also paid me $600. The fourth one was a app that made you pray before getting on your phone, which paid me $500. So right there alone, we're already up to $1,700. And the last app is a gym app that paid me $400 a month, $2,100 in a singular month. Now you guys are probably wondering how long this actually took me. The truth of it is, it took me maybe an hour a day. To show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, I'm literally going to show you here on my phone. And this is a company I've just started working with today, but you can see my video already got 600 views, which is a great start for a completely new account. So all you do to make these videos, literally click on the plus on TikTok, put your phone down in a professional setting, turn on the ring light so your lighting looks good, and then you're going to hit record and read off of whatever script you are given. I will be making a video in the future of how to make a good UGC video so clients keep coming back to you over and over, but for now, the only thing you want to focus on is your lighting. A lot of people say you need a good microphone to do it. While it is true, I use a Rode Mini Mic Wireless, and this is like $100, and they give you 4 of these, as well as 2 transmitters in case one of them does go bad. Honestly, my first brand inbound lead came from me simply recording off of my phone's audio. The reason I actually use a mic is a complete opposite reason for what you think. It's not necessarily for the audio, the mic is actually to engage the viewer. So you can move it around, be animate with your hands while talking, and you have a reason for the mic to be right here. When I'm just talking like this, you guys are less focused on me because I'm not moving anything right now. You're just seeing my mouth move and listening to what I say. But if I get my hands involved and then I get animate when I talk and I'm talking into the mic, you can see there's a little bit more focus going on there. This video is not sponsored by Rode or anything. I just love this microphone. I think it's the best out there on the market for its price. But yeah, so I'll leave it linked in the description if you guys do want to get it for yourself. So how do you actually get started in UGC? There's a few things you need to do. First off, you need your phone. Second off, you need to know that getting into UGC is not as difficult as a majority of other things. The only thing you need to know how to do is read, simple TikTok editing, and then kind of going through a little bit of outreach. The number one way to get started is by taking a random item in this house. For example, if I take these iron supplements I have, I make a UGC example video of this. I talk about how my iron's been low recently, and thanks to Nature's Bounty iron supplements, I've never felt better. That can be a UGC example video. Post these all over TikTok. Soon enough, a brand will see you and probably will reach out to you. After that, you're going to keep posting more of those, get more brands, and then slowly over time build a portfolio. In all honesty, brands pay anywhere from $100 to $10,000 a month. A lot of UGC is what is called brand collaboration or high volume UGC. What this is mostly what I do, so companies will pay me about $20 per video. That gym app I said earlier that paid me $400 a month, that was broken down into 5 videos a week. Each one of those videos paid me $20. So 5 times 4, obviously that's 20, times another 4, that is going to be $400 a month. And I know you guys are probably wondering how much time does this actually take, because that's all I care about. Everyone says make money with AI nowadays. The thing about UGC, as long as you are even somewhat consistent in applying to brands, you are practically guaranteed to land one, as long as you listen to what I say in my next videos and this video. Literally just focus on good lighting. But how much of a time does it actually take me to film a video? For that gym app that was paying me $20 a video, they would send me scripts. The videos would be anywhere from 20 to 30 seconds long in total, and I would submit them to the brand for approval. The typical time it took for one video was maybe 10 minutes. It took about 1 or 2 minutes to sit down and record, depending on how much I messed up. And then I would have to go into the app, screen record everything, probably another 2 minutes, and then edit everything, which would take me maybe 2 to 3 minutes as well. A little under 10 minutes. So if you guys actually do the math in your heads, at $20 a video, if it takes me 10 minutes and I'm getting $400 a month, 5 videos a week, I can do that in 50 minutes. That means I'm getting paid almost $100 for almost an hour of work. That being said, the real money in UGC is not from one brand unless you have a crazy deal where you're doing $2,000 for like 5 videos a day or something crazy. I don't know. The real money in UGC comes from stacking clients on top of each other, and they're not hard to manage at all. The thing about a majority of UGC contracts, they don't explicitly state you cannot be a part of any other collaborations. That is more of the high volume UGC style. It's more of the simplified version, and that is kind of the breakthrough threshold into what UGC really can truly become. So typical UGC is actually ads that companies run directly on their pages. These videos go from anywhere around $100 for one video all the way up to $2,000 per video. The only difference with this is you have to get B-roll, maybe film with somebody else, change your shot selection all the time, make sure your lighting is perfect, make sure you're speaking clearly, and it's very high editing. That is the only downside to actual UGC ads themselves. You do get paid more per video, but the thing is you have to concentrate a lot more on how good the quality of the video is. So whereas high volume UGC, you can bang out 6 videos in the matter of an hour, with UGC ads, you have to take that whole hour and make sure one video is perfect. That being said, it's very hard to break into UGC ads without doing high volume UGC first. High volume means you're actually producing and you can do it. Other companies that run UGC ads will see that and actually level you up to that $100 per video that you're looking for. So I actually want to take you guys a little bit through how to actually get started with UGC. So this is a website I made on Canva. It literally took me maybe 20 minutes. It's literally just a picture of me snowboarding. And right here I have as a Christian UGC creator. I was originally focused on Christian UGC at first, but I've since changed. The first thing you want in everywhere, your Instagram, TikTok, everywhere you're posting videos is your email. This is where companies are going to be an inbound lead to you and reach out to you for videos. Second thing you're going to want to have is your handles. So right here, I have 2 TikToks at the time. So if you click on this, this will take you to my main TikTok that has around 11,000 followers. I also have my YouTube channel. It's just nice to have other socials. If you have your Instagram, I highly recommend putting that instead. And then I have a short ChatGPT about me where I just told chat what I want to do. The reason I said down here storytelling and emotional connection, I was very adamant on talking head videos because that's what a lot of UGC companies look for now. Somebody who can be authentic with the viewer, somebody who can speak to someone. So that's why I made sure to say emotional connection. And then I also said I worked with a Christian app, and then I listed the Christian app that I worked with in the past. And then down here, I just have 3 videos of 3 of the people I worked with. And you guys can see, like,
God is watching.
These videos are not very high effort. It's me holding a Bible, talking about not doing lust, and it has a simple text block on top of it, and this video got me about $20. Down here, always include a call to action. I just have let's work together, and then again, email at the top so they know where to find me. Again, guys, UGC is an industry that is so fast growing. It is a $5 billion industry right now, and I think it has gone up $3 billion in just 2 years. This industry is ever growing, ever green, and also there's so many companies coming out with Claude AI nowadays that there are more apps than ever, more companies than ever that need promotion so that they can get eyes on their site, on their app, on their service. And in the next video, I'm going to take you guys through exactly what I did to get started and how you guys can do the exact same thing. But please be on the lookout for that next video coming later this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you did enjoy. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.